Good morning, y'all. All right, so still filming on my iPhone. I have the new camera coming in soon, but I wanted to talk about what I did. This is going to be the Firefighter radio strap, adjustable radio strap kits that I talked about in the last video. All right, so here they are. So hold on, I can take the camera, Jay. I got my son helping me. All right, let me go over the kits and what's included. So I have burgundy. I have 4 kits in burgundy. I have 2 dark brown. I have 1 black. And all of these come with everything needed. All the connectors, all the adjustable pieces, everything. And it comes with a radio holster. So they all come with a radio holster, okay? Then the other thing I have are 2 tan pieces that does not have, I don't have a radio holster for that. Okay, and admittedly, these are a little thinner than I like. These are 8 ounce, still not terrible, but these are 8 ounce. There's no radio holster and there is no backing leather, by the way. I forgot to mention that all these come with a backing leather. So what do you get with this? You get a strap. All these straps are about 70 inches. So long enough to do, I think you can get up to about 70 inches, 75 inches of radio strap. There's a lot of radio strap there. Comes with the backing leather. Comes with, like I said, all of the pieces cut out already and the holsters. And it also comes with whatever hardware color you want. I have black, solid brass, stainless steel. Now, they all come with 4 trigger snaps. 2 for the anti-sway strap, 2 for the actual strap itself, the buckle that's going to go for the small adjustment piece, and this D-ring for the holster itself. Also, you have the 3 Sam Browne studs. I'll show you where those go, and 2 Chicago screws. These are 3/8 Chicago screws. Those Sam Browne studs go right here on this piece. That round piece goes out, so you can weave it around and set it in like that. So every suspenders has 2 of those. And also on this holster piece, there's 1 that needs to go there. As far as the holsters, the radio holsters themselves, there's a video. I'll put a link in the description over here. A video on how to actually assemble these. Now, as far as the actual radio strap itself, I don't have a video out yet on assembling the radio strap, but it's super easy. So I'm going to go over a couple of techniques real quick, just a rough overview on how to assemble this. But if you want, on my website, I'll put a link in the description on the top to the actual pattern that you could download. It's a template. The only issue is I have not made a build-along video yet. But you can go ahead and download that pattern if you want. I will be making a radio strap build-along that goes with that pattern download probably within the next 4 weeks or so. So look out for that. So that'll be in the description. But let's go over some nuances. I'm building this. Like I said, the holster themselves, there'll be a link in the video for that. All right, so let's talk about the nuances with this. All right, this is everything that's going to come with the radio kit. This piece here is, here you go, Jay, I need you to hold this real quick. Just hold it, all right. This piece here is the actual adjustment piece. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna weave your buckle through. I'm gonna talk about every piece that's in here, but you're gonna weave your buckle in there, right? And then you're simply going to put your 2 rivets or Chicago screws right through there. Where's the hole? Yeah, right through there, right? This piece is for your belt keep. You put that hole, line it up, and you could put a rivet there or screw, whatever you want, and you wrap it on itself, and that Sam Browne stud's gonna be there. And you tie it like that. This hole here are gonna be for these 2 pieces or for the trigger snap pieces. You're gonna connect it to that piece, run your trigger snap through there, and that's how you do that, okay? So just for future reference, and just so you know, from this hole to the end of this is about 3 inches. So just so you know, that's how you do that. Hold on, Jay. The other piece here, can you get my face real quick, Jay, so they can look at me? All right, back to here now. All right, this piece here is the vertical lapel mic. All right, come back on me, Jay. All right, so the vertical, like I said, this is just a long strap, so you have to cut it to your length. The vertical lapel mic goes wherever you want, all right? You can put it wherever you want, but let me tell you how I do it. The vertical lapel mic, from this hole to this hole, is a little bit bigger than 2.5. So whenever you're marking your holes where you want it, you have to be, these holes on the strap have to be 2.5 inches apart. Don't make them the same as this. The reason why you do that is that when you make this shorter than this will bubble up a little bit. It'll give you that little bit of a lip. So the way I do it is really tight. This is just like maybe a little bit over 2.5. So the holes here need to be 2.5 inches apart, and this will give you a nice little lip. If you want it more bubbly, just make this a little bit shorter than 2.5 inches apart. But that's where that goes. And where I usually do this, I find the middle of the strap, and I come down 4 inches, and that's where the top starts. Find the middle of the strap, and then from the middle of the strap down 4 inches, and that is the top hole. And then I go 2.5. That's how I do that. You can put that wherever you want. What else? Yeah, so one of these is going to be for this piece, and the other one is same thing, but you can put it on your radio strap wherever you want. This is another mic keep, all right, another cord keeper, basically is what it is. So you can put that wherever you want, however high, low, that's on you. I use this so that it doesn't slide, and you rivet it in and put it in your thing. All right, so I have 4 burgundy, and they all come with the backing. It's English bridle. This is all English bridle. All this is about 9 to 10 ounce, okay? The tan, Jay, might show them the tan? That tan is like 8 ounce. I'm not a fan of it. Like I said, this only comes with, it doesn't come with backing, and it doesn't come with holster, a radio holster. So it's just a radio strap. 2 tans, but it comes with everything else, as you can see. It comes with everything else that you need for the radio strap itself. But over here, we have 4 burgundy, we have 2 dark brown, and we have 1 black. And they all come with backing, okay? They all come with backing. All right. All right, so this is all prototype stuff. I'm pretty excited about this. I got a good response from you guys. So don't hold my feet to the fire on this, but I'm thinking, and I might change my mind depending, I'm thinking that for all the stuff that has the backing and the radio holster, I'm thinking about somewhere around $80 to $90, thinking probably $89. I think that's fair. It's everything combined. So I kind of aggregated everything for you. I think moving forward, this might be good depending on the price. Let me know what you guys think about that price, $89 for the whole kit. And all you would need, by the way, is your own fasteners. I provide everything except how you're going to fasten it. I don't know if you're going to use rivets, copper rivets, brass rivets, Chicago screws. I don't know. And for this other tan one, I'll just give this away just to break even. This is probably going to be, I don't know, maybe 59 bucks or something like that, just for the radio strap. The other thing too, I am rambling bad. Hey, show mommy. Can you want me in the video? Look what she's doing. You're in the video now. Look what she does, guys. I'm the luckiest man alive. She brings us tea. Can I show you in the video though? You look really pretty. All right. One thing also is that you notice that I did give you 2 Chicago screws, and that is for the holster right here. All right. When you put this together, watch that video. I gave you 2 Chicago screws that go right here. All right. That's the only Chicago screws I give you, but yeah. All right, y'all, that's it. Like I said, this is all prototype stuff. I'm gonna test this out and see if it's worth it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I know this turned out to be a lot longer than needed to be. By the way, these headphones are doing nothing. There's no cord at all going to anything. I just did it to be ridiculous. I'm trying to teach my son that it's important in life to make no sense whatsoever and to be a little ridiculous, because I think that's important. Also, it's really hot in here, and this wig is really making me sweat. Jeremiah, do you have anything you have to add?
Nope, nothing actually.
You don't want to be in the video? No? Oh, he's camera shy. Dang. That's all right. I got nothing else. Do you have anything you want me to do, Jay?
Do a dance.
With the tea, hot tea in my hand?
Yeah.
Look at my cheeks, look at my cheeks. Dancing with the hot tea. Dancing with the hot tea.
All right, you can stop it.